Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple phonics flipbook that you can use to practice segmenting and blending, or in other words, early reading. For this you'll need some paper, some glue, a pair of scissors and some felt tip pens or coloured pencils. They do not need to be Sharpies. So first of all I'm just going to bend over a flap at the top of my paper. You will need several sheets depending on how many pages of the flipbook you want to have, and then I'm just gluing all of those flaps together so that the top of each sheet of paper is stuck together. Next I'm just going to cut off a bit of the bottom of the paper because I don't need my flipbook to be that big, but make sure you don't get rid of that paper because you can use it for other crafts that you can find on the channel. Next I'm going to make two cuts in my flipbook so that I've cut it in thirds, but making sure that I don't cut into the glued part at the top. I'm focusing on CVC words, so 3-letter words, so I'm only making 3 flaps. Next I'm going to write my letter sounds on the flaps of paper. Make sure when you do this, you only put vowel sounds in the middle. The words will not work if you put them on either side. And just like that, you have your very own phonics flipbook. You can flip each flap up and down to make different words, like so. Of course, you don't have to stick to just CVC words, you can make longer words, you can include things like digraphs. The possibilities really are endless. If you decide to give this activity a go, please do let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, do click the subscribe button so that you never miss a future video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.